Hello, kumusta dyan sa Bacolod? Naalala ko pa nung bumisita kami dyan sa hospital. So, naalala ko yung tito ni na hinahanap ni Tita Susette yung charger niya. Sabi niya, maraming charger dito. Hindi pwede kasi iba yung charger niya, micro USB. Tapos sabi ni Tito Neil with this very soft voice, di ba? Medyo yung cellphone mo, outdated. Sabi niya ganun. Gusto kong tumawa ng malakas pero seryoso ng time na yun. So, yun nga, alam ko si Tito Neil, lagi yan updated sa mga gadget, technology, ganyan. Kahit nga nung 1999, tagal na, hinahayaan kami mag-internet sa kanila, gano'n. So, nakakapag-chat-chat kami. Kaya nga, noon pa man, nga, hinahangaan namin siya bilang tito, gano'n. Tapos, sana gano'n din ako sa mga pamangkin ko na napaka-awesome. napaka parang barkada mo lang, ganun. And as for the rest of us, alam ko masakit pa rin. Siyempre, di ba? Walang katumbas ang buhay. Pero tingin ko umu-okay na eh. Kita ko napaka-active kayo sa chat group eh. Nakikita ko doon sa Facebook eh. Talagang post ng post si Tita Lee, Tita Susette, si Tita Dulce. Hi Tita Dulce. Talagang may din eh. We're getting there. Kaya sana let's stay healthy for another year and another year and another year para makita-kita tayo again. Okay? Yun lang. Bye-bye!
Hello, Adadelo family! Hello from San Antonio, Texas. We are very happy to be a part of this compilation. We just wanted to say that we still remember Tito Neil very fondly and that we continue to pray for him and for all of his family. And I wanted to share one of my favorite memories with him. Definitely shooting. He took me shooting for the first time when I was 10 years old. And I remember the shell going into my jumper and it was really hot. So, that was a very fun memory of him. That, and he taught me how to read auras, and that was really fun too. So, I remember him very fondly. He was like a dad to me, and we miss him every day. So, we wanted to sing a quick song. This is something that the kids learned in their vacation Bible school, and we love this song. Are we ready? Here we go. Oh, God will guide us so. He will provide for us through the wilderness. He will deliver us. Oh. Hey! All right, bye everyone.
Bye family. We miss you, Tito.
Hello. Remember, your father is one of the people with the most, or at least the longest, patience that I have ever come across. And they are never truly gone. They are always there guiding us. Happy Father's Day.
Hello, so ako naman, yung fondest memory ko kay Tito Neil is lagi kaming pumupunta sa, actually dalawa eh. Number one, lagi mo pumupunta sa Lopez East back when mga bata pa lang kami ni Isabel kasi favorite namin yung parang playground doon na sobrang laki sa taas ng mall. So, isa yon. Tapos yung isa naman is there was a time na lagi kaming pumupunta sa table tennis na it's kinda like a building na may table tennis na table. Tapos, pupunta kami doon para maglaro. Ganon. So, ang daming memories pa eh. So, yung dalawa lang yung ngayon ang pinaka naaalala ko.
Fondest memory with Tito Neil. There is a lot to pick from my memory, but one that highlights the most is yung stargazing. I remember Tito Neil picked up the ladder and invite us over doon sa rooftop. So the garage has a roof. So we lie down there and we did some stargazing. I also remember me and Dominic tries to see stars and hoping we could see like aliens or any signs. I remember that. Also, one of the fondest memory would be him giving his time as an act of service to bring us to any activities in Bacolod whenever we go home. Thank you, Tito Neil, for everything. We love you so much.